Welcome to the Digital Design Studio. Here you see the environment where product designers of the future will be working in. The screen to the left shows the product designer a real-time status dashboard of all the digital twins of each of the manufactured products that are out there being used by their customers. Through this dashboard, the product designer has real-time access to every risk and issue that these products are reporting, as well as written feedback from the customer. The product designer can take a closer look at any one of these product instances with a single click. Leveraging this real-time feedback from the dashboard screens on the left, the product designer can quickly act to resolve the issue. The designer loads up the product with a faulty flipper component in the virtual reality design environment to the right and intuitively designs a better flipper module. This new flipper module version then rapidly goes through several virtual testing and design optimization cycles until the designer is satisfied and releases the module for physical prototyping. All can be achieved 100% virtually without wasting a gram of material, saving a lot of money and time to the company.